Hey cuties! So today I'm going to be doing a Taste Test Tuesday of limited edition cool crazy snacks. I have a braided ponytail and I just wrapped it around to make it a braided bun because my hair lady said, girl, make it into a braided bun and be glam. And I've never heard those words before that Samantha PiinkSparkles could be glam. So I'm glam today. I'm glam. The more you know, Samantha can be glam. It's just a big deal when I get told that I can be glam, okay? So I got a ton of limited edition snacks. You guys loved the last one of these, so I wanted to do it again. I am so excited to get started here. So the very first thing I'm going to get into is Pop-Tart Bites. What? Girl, Pop-Tart Bites, 10 pouches inside. Oh my god, is it Halloween? Oh my god, okay. No! Everything should say new on it. Novo! New! Novo! How do you, like, where's the opening? Oh, wait. Oh my god, and they're confetti cake? Wow, they're so cute. Look at these. Oh my god, they look like mini little Pop-Tarts. Stop. Look at these, look at how cute. There's like little, oh my god, oh my god. Okay. Okay, honestly, that's the best snack I've had in a long time. A, I've never had a confetti cake Pop-Tart. B, that tastes exactly like a Pop-Tart. I thought they were gonna be like really like small, hard type things with like a little bit of like filling inside, but these look like Pop-Tarts, smell like Pop-Tarts, taste like Pop-Tarts, are Pop-Tarts. I'm a Pop-Tart queen. I'm so happy right now. These are like, oh my god. Oh my god, the icing is the exact same. Like, everything's the exact same. So soft, but the icing's crunchy. You know what I mean when I would say that with Pop-Tarts. And you get a lot in here. That's a good snack. I'm so happy right now. Okay, next up is something I've been trying to find for ages, and I finally found it, and they are the Baconator Pringles by Wendy's. So the Wendy's Baconator is like one of my favorite burgers ever, and they teamed up with Pringles and made Baconator Pringles. So we are going to try these right now. I paid $10 for these because I wanted them at a specific place, like a specialty store, and then my city started selling them on the shelves. So I was really mad for like normal Pringles price. They don't smell like a frickin' Baconator at all. They smell like salt and vinegar. Huh, that's what they look like. Okay, one, yum. Yum. Okay, I feel like they are so close to hitting the Baconator taste, but they didn't quite hit it. I'm sorry to say that, but they are really good. They still do taste like Pringles. It doesn't taste just like a cheeseburger, which I was worried about. They really tried to hit that Baconator taste. Okay, these are good. The more I'm eating them, the more I'm like, am I eating a Baconator, girl? Okay, it passes, and it's so cool. Baconator Pringles, we stand. Okay, so now we're going to try this Crush. This is Birch Beer. So I don't know if that's like ginger beer. Also, people always ask me how I do things with my nails. I just go at the side here. Okay. Why is it pink? It's pink. Okay, it tastes like cream soda. Did they actually put cream soda in mine? It's literally pink. See, look, it's okay. It's cream soda. Does Birch Beer being cream soda? I feel like I'm an idioso now. Muy idioso. It's cream soda. Okay. Alrighty then. Alrighty, let's go to another pink thing that probably will not let me down, and that is Fruit Oolong. Just kidding. Fruit. I love that the French side is Fruit Oolong. Fruit by the Foot, Starburst, and the all pink. Hi, Kylie Jenner. People love the Starburst that are all pink. And then Fruit by the Foot was like, how about we make Fruit by the Foot that is Starburst, but that is all pink? And then everyone's like, well, actually no one's talking about this, and I don't understand how, because hell, like what? They're so cool looking. Oh my god. The stuff that's coming out this year, yum, in 2021 is like so elevated with snacks. A lot of brands are like teaming up, like Starburst and Fruit by the Foot, Pringles and Wendy's. Oh my god, yum. This is good. I'm not a fan of like gummy candy, but I've always liked Fruit by the Foot because it's more like it's not super chewy. It's like smooth. That dead ass tastes like a Starburst, no cap. Matches the vibe today. I could wear it as like a necklace. Like we stand, it would actually, people wouldn't even know. And they would be like, oh, and I'd be like, eating it. Okay, this next thing isn't like a limited edition thing, but I saw it and wanted to include it because I saw this at one of my discounted stores that I go to, like a liquidation center. I had to get it. It's called Pirate's Foodie, aged white cheddar, rice, and corn puffs, sorry. Baked, not fried, made with real cheese, and it just looked so interesting. It was like sitting there, no one ever talks about this. No one's ever gonna show this on a YouTube video except me, I feel. So I felt bad, so we're gonna go ahead and try the Pirate's Foodie. It smells like my Uncle Herbert's left armpit. Ooh, and then he threw in his shoe for good luck. So this is what we're looking at. This actually stinks. Why is this pirate's booty? It looks like it's pirate's dead shrimp laying next to the stuff. Or whatever you call them. Oh, okay. I don't know why it smells like that. It doesn't taste like that at all. Like at all. It tastes like popcorn twist. That's the vibe I'm getting. No cheese. It's actually pretty good. It tastes like popcorn twist. It's not revolutionary. You know what? They're kind of addictive. Iron Mateys. Okay, we're gonna do like an Easter vibe now. And I saw these Shimmer Eggies. They're just gonna taste like Eggies, I think. Is that revolutionary? But they are shimmer. Real milk chocolate. And they have a milk chocolate in a candy shell. And it's like dusted. It's like shimmery. I feel like if you're gonna get these in your Easter basket, your mom really loves you. That was the worst, like, rip thing ever. Like, it's not at all open. Okay, no cap, but those puffs that I just tried, the Pirate's Foodie, were so good. I'm a pirate now. Okay, like, why are these so crazy to open? Why are they not shimmery? Okay, well, they're a little shimmery, but I was expecting like highlight. Like they had highlighter on them. Like they don't really appear. Like, it's not a game changer. These are lame. And they're getting all over my hand, which I don't mind having shimmer on my hand, but okay, they're just an Eggie. I feel like the regular Eggies have more pizzazz to them than these. Not a fan. Let me just take a sip of my cream soda here. Okay, last but not least, family, are these birthday cake bars by Pillsbury. I didn't know Pillsbury had snacks. Like, I'm like, what? Like, they usually give me stuff and I gotta freaking make it my own. I gotta preheat my oven. I gotta get a pan. I gotta put it all on there. Oh, just kidding. I'm okay. But then they're like, we already made it. Like, if you're not lazy enough to make your own cookie dough and bake it, we have made it even simpler. We have done it for you. So these are birthday cake bars and I cannot wait to eat these. These are expired. They expired January. What? I did get these at a liquidation center, so maybe they just sold expired. I'm like, here's new and improved cat. Well, they do say new. How new? When were they new for you, liquidation place? Okay, so you get 6 bars in here. I'm still gonna try it. Don't get it twisted, girl. Okay, why can't I grab one? Like, what is this? It says smile. Oh, I have been. Dive in. Okay, still smell good. This is what we're looking at. Please don't get me sick. Please don't be sick. Or old. Okay, I can taste like a sour taste in there, but hold on. If they weren't old, these would be bomb. These are still so soft. I can tell these would be so yummy, but I can taste like a sour taste in them. Like the icing's a little yellowy. Don't eat expired food. Do not eat expired food. Don't do it, Samantha. Like what? I feel like I bought these like last month in like February, so they were already expired. Okay guys, so thank you so much for watching this taste test. I really appreciate it. Have you guys tried any of these items? And if you guys want me to do more taste tests, give this a thumbs up and I will do more. Thank you so much for watching and I'll talk to you guys all in my next one. Bye guys.